This particular document came out by the Food and Drug Administration Center for Tobacco Products, and I'd like to read it to you. So CTP News, FDA policy memos on review of tobacco product applications now available. Today, FDA is releasing scientific review policy memorandum that provide details on key areas of regulatory science that are part of the tobacco product application review process. These memos, developed between 2014 and 2019, were written to assist FDA's reviewers with the evaluation of new tobacco product applications in discipline areas such as chemistry, toxicology, engineering, social science, behavioral and clinical pharmacology, and microbiology. FDA has now posted these documents on its website to further the agency's efforts to increase transparency, efficiency, and predictability in the tobacco product application review process, and to serve as a resource to manufacturers in the preparation of tobacco product applications. So, in regards to all these areas, the Food and Drug Administration Center for Tobacco Products, they are further explaining in detail in regards to new tobacco products like vapor products, what the reviewers at the Food and Drug Administration / Center for Tobacco Products will expect these particular applications, these pre-market tobacco applications, when they're submitted to the FDA. It'll give you a very good idea of how to complete these PMTAs in these particular areas that are highlighted here. It will help the vaping industry to better understand what exactly is expected from them when they do their PMTAs. So it goes on for a while. So like it says, these memos provide valuable information to manufacturers on the different scientific disciplines and areas involved in product application review. For example, the chemistry memo on equivalence testing explains FDA's current thinking on analyzing differences in harmful and potentially harmful constituent levels in new and predicate tobacco products in substantial equivalence reports, while the engineering memo entitled Engineering Review of Substantial Equivalence Reports for Originally Regulated Products sets out FDA's current thinking on how substantial equivalence reports were reviewed from an engineering perspective. The information contained in these memos is subject to change based on advances in policy and regulatory science. It is not binding on the FDA or the public. The memos may serve as a useful additional reference. However, they should not be viewed as a comprehensive manual for preparation and review of tobacco product applications. So it's just a useful additional reference. And it goes on for a while there. Okay. So then when you click onto this, it brings you to this here. And Scientific Policy Memorandum about FDA review of tobacco product applications. I don't necessarily have to read that, but it goes through all the types of tobacco products. So, you see the general, see chemistry and toxicology. It's not just vapor products, it can be smokeless tobacco, things of that nature. What is expected. It's just like a guide. It's like a guide that further explains in regards to the final draft guidance in regards to PMTAs that were put out about a couple months ago. About a month ago, actually. So even inhaled tobacco products, so all kinds of goodies, engineering, social science, behavioral and clinical pharmacology, microbiology, And then the FDA recommends the following tools serve as primary resources for the preparation of, and you see them. I just want to share this with you. I will put this this link here underneath the video, so you can click on the links and stuff like that to better acquaint yourself with all of this. I've gone down this road with the IQOS already, so I understand the whole process and what is expected. So nothing phases me, but you may be interested in clicking on all these highlights to understand what's going on here. Anyway, I want to share that with you. You guys have a good one. Bye-bye.